Good morning, students. In this way, this one is the second chapter, and the summary of this chapter I already told you all. So, in this video, I will teach you according to the paragraph wise of this chapter. So, the title of this chapter, the adventures of Toto. So, there are two spellings here. One is that is mischievous, and second one is docile. Docile means होता है विनम्रता. Mischievous means शरारती. So, first of all, let me read. Paragraph first. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tanga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The Tanga driver used to keep little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Trough means vessel. Vessel means naad, bartan you can say. And the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. So one day the writer's grandfather purchases Toto from a Tanga driver. Why he purchases Toto from a Tanga driver for 5 rupees? And why he purchases first of all this monkey? Because when writer's grandfather looks at monkey, he finds that the Tanga driver only puts the monkey binding a page मैंने खूंटा you can say binding a page to a feeding trough माने वैसल माने नाद है, नाद के पास कोई खूंटा है, खूंटा में उसको बांध कर रखा हुए हैं, रखे तांगा ड्राइवर रखा है. तो looking such type of condition, grandfather is upset. So he purchases buys Toto from Tanga driver, and when he purchases Toto, he understands that for Toto this place is not good. So he decides to make the member so he decided to make the member Toto of his private zoo. Okay, in this paragraph, this one is the introductory paragraph. In this paragraph, we find why grandfather of writer purchases, buys Toto, and where grandfather wants to put Toto. Now, why grandfather wants to make the member, to make the member of Toto to his private zoo. I hope you are understood. I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. Okay, so let me roll down. फीडिंग ट्रॉफ यू कैन से मैंने नाद होता है जिससे कहीं कैटल माने मवेशियों को जानवरों को नाद में माने कुआर उवर जिसको चारा वारा डाल देते हैं तो उसको बांध देते हैं. तो इन दिस वे व्हेन राइटर्स ग्रैंडफादर लुक्स ना व्हेन the writer's grandfather looks at Toto, he finds the condition of Toto is very miserable, so he decides to buy Toto, and he decides to make the member na, to make the member of his to make him the member of his private zoo because grandfather likes animals. So he makes a private zoo in his house. So okay, this one is the first paragraph. I think you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. Fellow means साथी. अब Tutu was a pretty monkey. Pretty, I think you all know beautiful. Pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled. Sparkle माने कभी कभी sparkle माने होता है चमकने वाली. With mischief beneath deep set eyebrows माने भौवें. And his teeth which were purely white. Pearl माने मोती, purely white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened में भयभीत करना the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. So first of all, I want to tell you the meaning till here. Na? In these lines, we find, yeah, you can see in this paragraph, the writer describes what is the physical appearance of monkey. So he says that Toto is very beautiful. Yeah, Toto is a pretty monkey. It's pretty monkey. And after he says that its eyes, his bright eyes are very, you can say, are sparkling, na? Sparkling, and his teeth is very sharp and clean, and it seems like pearl, na? It seems like pearls. And when Toto smiles, looking the teeth of Toto, anyone frightens. Anyone frightens. So I hope you are understanding, na? In these lines, we find the physical appearance of Toto. Toto means monkey, but his hands looked till now in this way, in these above lines we understand that what are his eyes and his teeth. Okay, and after again he says something about his other parts of body, no? Other parts of body, but his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled माने अचार होता pickled in the sun for many years. At his fingers were quick and wicked में दुष्ट, and his tail, while aiding to his good looks, also served as a third hand. Grandfather believed a tail would aid to anyone's good looks. In this way, in these above lines, in these above sentences, we see that what are his eyes and teeth. And next, the writer says that his hands are dried up because Toto is tied. Na? Toto is tied. It means Toto is not free to move anywhere else where it wants, but it is tied by Tanga driver. So his hands are dried. His hands are dried. It means he it does not find proper time to move from one place to another place, to jump from one place to another jump. So the hands of Toto have been like a pickle, you can say, have been pickled in the sun for many years. When for last many years it did not find proper time to use he its hands properly. And but his fingers, writer says that his fingers are very quick and wicked means those type money, it means his fingers always are doing few extra works, unnecessary works. In this way we know about the hands and fingers. And after writer says something about his tail, and he says and writer says the tail of monkey makes its pretty more and more, makes monkey very attractive, makes monkey very attractive. And father and his grandfather believes this thing, the tail of monkey looks anyone very attractive, looks anyone very good. And he says that the tail of monkey is like the third hand of monkey, is like a third hand, na? He accepts such way. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping means when I put my cursor here, automatically the word, na? The word is seen on the monitor. In this way you can easily way understand what is the meaning of scooping means jump up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. In this way, his grandfather accepts. He further says that yes, his tail is third hand because by the use of its tail it can jump from one branch to another branch, and also it can hold the branches of tree. And so this it's very delicate part of his body. It's very tender and komal, you can say. bendable. It's can bend very easily way na. The tail of monkey can bend easily way na. and and a monkey can use its tail like hands na, to hold the branch of the tree and to jump from one branch to another branch. In this way, in this paragraph, we find writer says something about the physical appearance of monkey. What is what's his eye, what's its tooth, and what's its tail na? And how he is sitting na, without doing anything na? So in this way, I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. So let me roll down the next paragraph. Grandmother always first मैंने होता confusion में हो जाना, या जल्दीबाजी में कुछ करना, तो फर्स्ट, when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal, so it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. Here we find the grandfather of the writer is a very good person. He looks after his wife na? He respects he respects the mood of his wife, and grandfather accept this one thing when he brings this monkey to the home. He decides that for few days he wants to hide the monkey from everyone of his family, and he wants to show monkey to them when he finds the mood of his wife is good. Otherwise, until he wants to hide it, he will find the good mood of his wife, then he will show monkey to her. So for this, he decides to hide monkey inside his bedroom. And after what happens? हाँ, grandfather and I means writer. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely. Or so we thought, to a page. Page माने तो खूंटा या हाँ, you can say page. Fastened बांधना into the wall. In this way, when grandfather decides that he does not want to show, no, he does not want to show monkey to his wife until he finds his wife is in a good mood. So he is waiting for this time. So for this, he hides Toto inside his bedroom. For this, he puts Toto a little closet, na, and into his bedroom, and after this one he also binds Toto with a page so that Toto cannot run away from the bedroom. What happens in this way? I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. In this paragraph we find uh, grandfather's respect, no? We find the grandfather respects to his wife. Okay, I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. Then let me read next paragraph. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out में तोड़ दिया गया as naked brick. ईटा दिख रहा था, प्लास्टर दिख रहे थे. In this way, both, it means writer and writer's grandfather, both put the monkey inside their bedroom, and after putting the monkey, they go anywhere else. For few hours later, they come back to watch to see what is the condition of the monkey. They find that the monkey, they find that the monkey has broken the plaster of the wall, and it also broken the ornamental paper, na? And the page in the wall had been wrenched from its socket से wrench कर दिया गया, and my school blazer which had been hanging there was in shred means cut in pieces में टुकड़ों में काट दिया गया था. In this way, when both return to watch na, to see monkey, they find the plaster is broken, the wall is broken, the page is broken, and the writer finds that the Toto breaks, you can say cuts writer's blazer and everything. And after what happened? I wondered that grandfather. I wondered that grandfather would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. When the writer finds the condition of his bedroom is like this way, he thinks that his grandfather will chide him. Yeah, his grandfather will say something. But he finds at the place of being unhappy, his grandfather becomes happy. His grandfather seems to be pleased with Toto's performance. And after what happens, let me read next paragraph. His clever said grandfather. Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into rope and made his escape from the window. Grandfather accepts that it is very cunning type animal. It is very cunning type animal. In this way we find grandfather accepts that Toto is very clever animal, na? And he says that please give time, na? Please give time to Toto, and he accepts, grandfather accepts that he cuts your blazer into pieces, and after cutting the blazer into pieces it makes it made a rope, and with that rope he the Toto escaped from the room, yeah, from the window, you can say. In this way, grandfather is very pleased when he looks, when he finds the real story of Toto. And after that, what happened? Let me read next paragraph. His presence in the house is still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters, where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably means सामाजिकता के रूप में, together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. ठीक, okay, good. In this way, even such type of thing, many events have been happened in the house of grandfather, but even then no one knows about Toto. This information even still is a secret. So now grandfather decides to transfer Toto into a big cage, na, in the servants quarters, where already there are many pet animals of his grandfather. Animals include a tortoise, pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. When such type of animals are there, and there his grandfather put transfers, shifts Toto too. Okay. And after what happened? But the monkey would not allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. In this way, throughout the night, when grandfather puts monkey inside servants' quarters where there are already many pet animals, my grandfather early morning finds that the last night the monkey means Toto did not let any other animal sleep. So in the next day, yeah, next day, grandfather has to go to Saharanpur to collect his pension. So he decides that he will also take Toto along, Toto along, you can say, na, with him. In this way, we find which type of Toto, a monkey, is in this paragraph, na, how mischievous it is. Okay, I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. So let me roll down next paragraph. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip, trip mane yatra. But he told me about it afterwards, na. A big black, but he told me about it afterwards. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. This with some straw at the instrument tinka at the bottom because his new abode माने place रहने के लिए. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. In this way, in these lines, we find writer says that when grandfather decides to go to Saharanpur with Toto, grandfather did not invite the writer, and he decided to go to alone on the trip. And for this, but afterwards, when few minutes later, few minutes later, grandfather tells the writer, and he says to the writer that this one is the black canvas. It is a very strong cage, and on the bottom of this cage straw, and so monkey cannot break this cage. Monkey cannot break this cage, and monkey cannot escape from this cage, black cage, na. It is so strong, na? It can't bite it, na? After this, what happened? His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. Money, it means father tells writer that this cage is very strong. Monkey is not able to break this cage, but occasionally by mistake the cage falls down on the ground, and as soon as the falls down on the grounds, monkey comes out from the cage. And exhibition man प्रदर्शनी that attracted a curious crowd man जिज्ञासु भीड़ of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. So already they are my grandfather is living in Dehradun, so from Dehradun he has to go to where Saharanpur. So at the railway station, when he puts by mistake, occasionally you can say by mistake, the cage falls down on the ground, the monkey comes out from the cage, and it has been an exhibition for all the passengers who were there who were there at the on the Dehradun railway platform. In this way, in this paragraph, we find when grandfather decides to go to Saharanpur with Toto. For it, he makes a strong cage, but by mistake at the railway station, it is broken, and the monkey comes out from the cage, and all the you can say passengers starts looking at monkey. Suddenly, it has been an exhibition for them. I hope you are understanding. So let me roll down. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. But while grandfather was producing his ticket, But while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turn still, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Wide grin माने अपने आप को शो अप कर देना. In this line, Toto actually from Dehradun to Saharanpur, Toto remains silently. Toto remains silent. But at Dehradun railway station, when grandfather goes to purchase the train, ticket of train, during that time, Toto comes out from the for a little time, comes out from the cage for a little time, and since then the ticket collector looks at it, yeah, at him, at in this way. Here I stop, otherwise my video will be very long, and then it will be very difficult to upload it on Google Classroom. So okay, thanks, I stops here. I hope you all understood till here what I taught you all. Okay, the poked his head means bahar nikalna. Okay, thanks.